This is the best recipe for vegan chocolate chip cookies you will ever find. Soft, chewy, and melt in your mouth delicious, they are everything you could ever want in a chocolate chip cookie recipe. This is my tried and true best vegan chocolate chip cookies recipe that both vegans and meat eaters love. No flax meal. No chia seeds or egg replacer. Just 9 ingredients. Try the recipe out on all your friends. This video is sponsored by a vegan cookbook that I suggest you buy to make delicious meals during your vegetarian diet so you do not get tired of this diet. I put the link to get acquainted with vegan cookbook in the description of this video. Hi there. How is it possible that these secretly vegan cookies taste so much like regular traditional chocolate chip cookies? It's because the cookies are made with only traditional chocolate chip cookie ingredients. No one who tries the recipe can ever believe these soft and classic chocolate chip cookies are actually vegan. Vegan chocolate chip cookie ingredients. The one bowl recipe is easy to make using basic ingredients, with no almond flour or applesauce, and no coconut oil required. For the flour, try the cookies with spelt flour, oat flour, or regular white all-purpose flour. I have not tried using whole wheat flour, so can't vouch for that substitution. The fat source options that work include sunflower, coconut, or vegetable oil. Or sub a full-fat vegan butter spread such as Melt Organic, Miyoko's, or Earth Balance. For the sweetener, feel free to experiment with different types of sugar or sugar-free alternatives such as xylitol or granulated erythritol. You can also just use all of one type of sugar instead of two. The resulting cookies might be crunchy or spread more, or they might need more or less time in the oven, but edible baking experiments are the best kind of experiments. Is chocolate vegan? And are chocolate chips vegan? I'm asked these questions quite often, and thankfully the answer is that yes, chocolate itself is vegan. While milk is sometimes added, there are many brands, even some generic grocery store brands, of vegan chocolate chips and chocolate bars that are becoming much easier to find. If you want to seek out vegan chocolate chips at a regular grocery store, the best place to start is the natural food aisle. Most regular grocery stores should have a natural food section. Just ask an employee if you're not sure where it's located. Look for one of the following brands: Enjoy Life, Simple Truth Organic, Target Simply Balanced, Lily's Sweet Stevia Sweetened, Kirkland Semi-Sweet, Costco brand, Gidded Semi-Sweet or Extra Dark, Equal Exchange, Scharfenberger Dark Chocolate Baking Chunks, Trader Joe's Semi-Sweet, Sprouts Semi-Sweet, or Pacha. Some of these packages say may contain milk on the label because the chocolate chips are made in a facility where non-vegan products are also produced. Most vegans still consider such products to be vegan, but of course it's a personal choice, especially if the reason to avoid milk is due to an allergy. At press time, Enjoy Life and Pacha brands are certified dairy-free, gluten-free, and soy-free. Where can I buy vegan chocolate? As mentioned earlier, you can find vegan chocolate chips at many regular grocery stores. Other good places to look include Whole Foods, local health food stores, Amazon, or iHerb. Sometimes online stores will offer a lower price. If nothing else, you can always chop up a chocolate bar to make your own chocolate chips. There are too many vegan chocolate bar options to list them all here, but some of my favorite fair trade options include Theo, Pacari, Taza, Loving Earth, and Endangered Species brands. And there are so many more. How to make chocolate chip cookies. Gather all of the cookie ingredients as well as a medium mixing bowl. Combine the flour, sugar, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips in the bowl. Stir well. Add the non-dairy milk, oil, and pure vanilla extract. Stir to form a cookie dough. It will be dry at first, so just keep stirring and it will suddenly turn into cookie dough. Press the dough into one big ball. Refrigerate at least 2 hours or overnight, or freeze until the dough is cold. Once chilled, preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll chocolate chip cookie dough balls and place the balls on a greased cookie tray. Leave enough room between cookies for spreading when they bake. Cook for 11 minutes on the oven's center rack. The cookies will look underdone when you remove them from the oven. This is what you want, because they continue to firm up considerably as they cool. Let the chocolate chip cookies cool for at least 10 minutes. If for some reason the cookies don't spread enough, simply press down with a spoon after baking. Storage and baking tricks. If you'd like to freeze the cookie dough to have on hand whenever a chocolate chip cookie craving hits, roll into balls and freeze in an airtight container for up to 3 months. When ready to bake, there's no need to thaw the cookie dough first. Just add an additional 1 to 2 minutes to the cooking time. For soft chocolate chip cookies, store leftovers in an airtight plastic container, and add about 1/4 slice of bread if you have one, which helps keep the cookies soft. For crispier cookies, store in a glass container. Baked cookies will last for 2 to 3 days. I've made these cookies so many times, and climate can definitely affect the shape and texture of the results. But despite not always looking the same, each batch has always tasted ridiculously delicious. I've never made a bad batch yet. The vegan chocolate chip cookies are great for lunchboxes or parties where someone else is hosting and you need a portable vegan dessert that you can take from point A to B without a mess. Please, if you like this video, like it and share it with your friends so that this video can be seen by more people and you can help people like you who need this video. And also support us. And please ask in the comments your biggest problems about losing weight so that we can produce quality videos about them so that all your problems can be solved. Are you struggling to lose weight on a vegan diet? Let us know which tips you plan to implement in the comments below. Have you lost weight as a vegan? Share your journey in the comments below to inspire others. Look no further for your weight loss training needs. Learn everything with our professional trainers. Only this weight loss channel is enough for you, and you can easily lose weight just by following and watching our videos from beginner to professional. We have a separate category for each topic that you can watch videos related to each topic in its own playlist. Only need to play your favorite playlist, see it again and again to become a professional in that subject, and you do not need anything else. If you are interested in this style of videos, please subscribe our page and click the bell next to it to be informed about our new videos.